So this is the what we did in the last class. Okay. Now write down all of you. Accepting string by the constructed PDA. Constructed PDA. Write down here. Same continuation of that last one. Accepting string by PDA. I'm taking here input string is A, B, B is W. C, W reverse is B, B, A. So this is I'm taking. Here I'm showing that how we can go for the processing of input by the stack. So when you can say that string is accepted by PDA, when you can say that string is accepted by PDA, very simple. You start reading off all these inputs, insert. When C comes, change the state. When BBA completes, then stack must be empty. After this last A, then stack must be empty. Then you can say that the string is accepted by PDA. Already we constructed insert rules. So these are the insert rules. Okay. And change of state rules, these three. And so these are the rules for removing element from the stack. Okay. So this is the way we can do it. Yes. Now listen first one. What is that initial state? What is the initial state? Tell me. What is the initial state? Q naught. What is the input here? A double B C double B A. And then what is the element required here? Top of the stack. What is the top of the stack? What is the top of the stack? What we are taken top of the stack? Initially top of the stack. What is the initial top of the stack? Tell me. What is that? Initial top of the stack is actually Z. In place of Z, what you have taken? R. So that you take. That you take here. What is that now? Tell me. R. So now here Q naught input is A, top of the stack is R. Then which rule can be applied here? Anyone please? Which rule is applied here? All of you getting my voice or not? Is A R. Default rule is that inserting. Inserting next state is what? Only Q naught. Then you write that remaining input here. What is the remaining input? B, B, C, B, B, A. So after inserting A, then what symbol is inserting in stack in place of A?
B, sir.
B, that is capital B. Already R is there. Next. Q naught and input is B, top of the stack is B. Then what rule can apply here? Already I told that up to C insertion, after C deletion. Now tell me, what is the next state? Check the rules and tell me. Q
Push
naught
rule.
input is B, capital B. What is that inserting rule? What is that next state? Q naught. What is the remaining input? B, C, B, B, A. Then what is the top of the stack? For
G, sir.
B, which symbol is inserting?
G.
Huh?
G, sir.
G. Then G, B, R. Next. Next is Q naught. Input is B. Top of the stack is G. Then which rule can be applied? Tell me. Either push rule or pop rule.
Push rule.
Push rule. What is the next state? Q naught. Remaining input is what? This one. What is that? C, B, B, A. Then what is the now top of the stack?
G, sir.
G, G, B, R. In the processing, you have to write total stack content. While writing rules, you write only top two symbols. Next one. Q naught input symbol is C. Then top of the stack is G, R, B, R. Anything. Then what is the next state? What you are doing here when C is input? When C is input, what you will do? Please tell me. Ashita,
State change. Change the state, sir.
shift the state. That is Q naught to Q1. Then you write the remaining input. What is that? BBA. Then what is that? GGBR. Next. Now B is the input Q1 state like a pop state. Then what is the top of the stack? G. So for removing G, I can use input as B. Then what is the next state here? What is the next state here? Because using B symbol, I insert capital G, that is green. Same green can be removed from the stack, must be input is B and the PDA must be in Q1 state. Then what is the next state here? Next state is Q1. Then remaining input, what is that? BA. Next, after removing that, what is the stack will be there? G, B, R. Is it clear now? Next. Q1 input is B, top of the stack is G. Because using B only inserted G, using B only I can remove G from the stack. Now what is the next state? Again same Q1 state, remaining input is A. After removing this, the stack is having BR. Next is Q1 input is B, top of the stack is B. I use the small a inserted capital B. Then I can use the same A, I can remove the capital B from the stack. Then what is the next state? Same Q1. Now what is the next input here?
Epsilon, sir.
Very good. Epsilon. The remaining stack is R. Next, what is the rule can be applied here? Stack is, sorry, in Q1, input is epsilon, top of the stack is R. So for removing the top of the stack symbol R, then I can use the input as epsilon. Then what is the next state here? Q2 and epsilon, nothing will be there in the stack, sorry, input, and stack also not having anything. Then I can say that. Now what happened? Before starting of the processing of input, stack is having R. During processing, stack having some content, some content. After processing, what is the stack is empty. Then I can say that the given input is accepted by PDA. PDA with empty stack, like that you can write. PDA with empty stack. So there are two ways to accept. One is that input is accepted by PDA. PDA. So just listen here what I'm saying. PDA. I didn't extend this. Input is accepted by PDA means you can write up to here only. Up to here. Suppose they're asking PDA accepts PDA accept with empty stack. Then write this last step also. Is it clear now? Up to this step is accepted by PDA. With empty stack, then remove that R also from the stack. Then you can say that here with empty stack is accepted. Right here, the given input accepted by PDA with empty stack. Please write down all of you. Please write down all of you. So I think so now you will get that how we can insert the rule, how we can apply the inserting rule, how we can apply the deleting rule. Please write down. Once if you return this, tell me, then I can move to the next point. Okay. Over. All of you return this one. Yes, please. Yes. Please respond anyone. Someone is now joining. Yes. Pawan return.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Ashini return. Ashini.
Sir.
Are you return this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Rajkumar, are you joined? Rajkumar. Rajkumar, are you there in the meeting? Vinay. Vinay,
Sir. Sir.
are you written this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you. Now here, after showing that, define that PDA mission with all the tuples. What are the tuples of PDA? How many tuples of PDA is there? There are 7 tuples. What is that? Q sigma, delta, Q naught, F, rho, and Z. And Z. So here you write what is the Q? Tell me what is sigma? What is delta? What is Q naught? What is F? What is rho? What is Z? What is Z? Tell me what is Q naught? Tell me what is Q naught? Sir, what is Q? How many states using? Q naught, Q1, Q2. What are the inputs are used? What are the inputs are used? Inputs are A, B, C and also epsilon. Next, this is you write just transition function. Initial state is Q naught, final state is Q2. Then stack symbols are what? Row nothing but a stack symbols. What is that? R, B, G. What is Z? Starting symbol of this stack is R. Please write down. So this is the complete answer for this problem. Complete answer for this problem. Write down. Yes. All are written. Next, I am giving another problem. That is, it will scratch your head. Narmada,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to scratch your head first. Then start writing answer for that. I will write the question. You tell me how we can able to construct the PDF for that problem. Okay. Arshini, Arshita, Pavan, Vakul, Rajkumar, Varun, all you have to think more and write the answer for that question. Okay. This is over. Shall I move to the next problem? Shall I move to the next problem? Tell me. Please tell me. I can move to the next point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the next problem. Same way only, but the logic will be little bit different. Only small change only. Write down the problem, all of you. Design PDA for L equal to W reverse. W belongs to A plus B all star. A plus B all star. Is it clear now? Any difference is there? W belongs to 0 plus 1 whole star and A plus B whole star. Any difference is there? Tell me. Any difference is there? Yes, tell me. Emma. Any difference is there? A plus B whole star or 0 plus 1 whole star? Please.
No, sir.
No difference. Okay. Instead of AB, you take 0, 1. That's it. The examination, they're asking like a 0 plus 1 whole star. The same solution in place of AB, you take only 0, 1. Now, can you tell here? In the last class, I solved that problem WCW reverse. Now, this class W reverse. What is the difference between these two? First one and second two. Tell me. Anyone, please? Any difference is there? Or same? Tell me. What is the first one language? Epsilon, ACA, BCB, same thing. AAC, AA, next. BBC, BB, next. ABC, BA, BAC, AB, so on. This is for first one. For the second one is what? Epsilon, next. AA, next. BB, next. AA reverse, next. BB reverse. AB, BA is reverse. BA, AB. Is it clear now? All of you? Yes or no? Tell me. Emma. Now here. All of you clear this description? All of you understood this description or not?
Yes, sir.
And now tell me, what is difference between first one and second one? First one and second one. Anyone please analyze and tell me. Analyze and tell me. Please. Arshita, tell me what is the difference between these two?
Sir, we have to stay in Q0 state only, sir. No going to Q1 state. Is
Achha. For which one?
for second one, sir.
For second one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the first one?
For first one, when C comes, we have to shift for Q1 state. No?
Okay. Okay. So, but I want PDF for this also. By you have to do that. You cannot stay at always Q naught. Then you take a some chance. Then you take a some chance for inserting and deleting elements. Like that you have to construct. Is it clear now what I'm telling? There is no option, but you have to construct the PDA. So then without going P1, Q1 state, you cannot construct the PDA. We have to go for the Q1. So for this very simple, can anyone please, anyone again, any difference is identified between these two? Can you tell that what is the logic behind that second one and first one? Then how we can insert the rule for second one? How we can delete the rule for second one? First one already understood. What is that first one? Before C is only insertion. After C is only what? Tell me. Before C is only insert. After C is only delete. So you have some indicator here. So for this place only we can shift the states. Is it clear or not? Tell me. You have some indication here. Different symbol is there than the W. So then we can go for the change of state. But in case of second one, any indication is there like that? You see that this is AA. Any indication is there here? Nothing. 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 Then what happen? Based on the top of the stack, at a time we can apply that insertion rule as well as deletion rule also. Insertion rule as well as deletion rule also. Same consideration can be taken. For input A, insert blue plate. For input B, insert green plate. For Z, insert R plate. When again encounter the same symbol corresponding to the blue plate, remove the blue plate. When again receive the same symbol related to the green plate, remove the green plate. All of you understood what I'm telling? But every string is started with what? Every string is started with what? Tell me. Every string is started with what? Either A or B. So something can be inserted in the stack, then only we can remove the element from the stack. So what happened? Before starting of the input, always default rule is insertion. Is it clear? Everyone? Everyone, it is clear or not? If something is there, then only we can remove. Nothing is there, what you can do? You can't. Then what happened? Starting is the default rule is the insertion. Maybe top the stack is R. Input either A or B. Just apply only insertion. When second input symbol encounter here, here or here, then start applying either push rule or pop rule. Either push rule or pop rule. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Suppose I am processing this input by writing off. What is that? Push rule and pop rule for this example only, for this string only. Later I will give all the rules with all the combinations. What did that tell me here? Q naught on A. For this one only I'm talking. Top of the stack is R. Then what is the here? Next state is Q naught. Then what is the here? What I am inserting for A? Blue. Next. Now first symbol of this input is A. Default rule is insert. Next is second symbol. What is the second symbol? A. On top of the stack is what? B. Then what is the rule here? So what is the rule here? After from this input, after this A, any input is there? Tell me.
No, sir.
Any input is there for this after A?
No, sir.
No. Then what is that? After second A, stack must be empty. Then only can AA can be accepted. Is understood all of you? Understood all of you or not? I'm talking about only these two. Then what you can do? Whatever the B is there here, how if this B is inserted? How this B is inserted based on input. Now B corresponding input symbol is again same A only. Then what I can do? Change the state and remove element. Or otherwise only insert the element, that is Q0 BB. Is it clear all of you? Whenever the input and the top of the stack is corresponding symbols, again I'm telling, either change the state, remove element, or insert the element. All of you clear this one? All of you clear this one or not? Tell me. Yes, please tell me. Again I'm telling that after before insertion, after what happened? Stack must be empty. That means something can be deleted. So initially, suppose Z A is there. I want to remove this A. I use the same A here. I removed, then stack is having Z. This is Q0 state, Q1 state. Or only insert the element Z A A. So this choice is accepting, this choice is not accepting. That is nothing but a having that multiple paths for the AA. That you can set as a NPDA, that is non-deterministic PDA. All of you clear this one or not? Not only inserting, you can apply deletion also at a time, because when top the stack symbol and input symbol is same, top the stack symbol is capital B, that is a blue plate, is inserted based on the A only. Then I can remove the blue plate based on the again same input symbol. Is it clear everyone? Previous problem is what? Up to C is only insertion. After C only start removing elements. But in this case, you cannot decide like that. All of understood this? Yes or no? Emma, all of you clear this or not?
Sir.
Huh? Okay. Now, what is the first rule? Q0. Everything is started with what? A. Top of the stack is R. Next. Every starting with B. Top of the stack is R. Because initially stack is empty with R. But maybe string started with A. What is that? DR. Next state is Q0. GR. Next, third one. Second symbol. Suppose again A is there. Top of the stack is B. Now which rule can be applied here? Either insert BB or delete B from the stack. This B can be removed. Okay. Either this rule or this rule can be applied. Next, fourth rule. What is the fourth rule? Q0 B is input. Top of the stack is Z. Then which rule can be applied here? Tell me. Again same rule. Q0 GGR. Change the state and remove the G. What is the other combination? Fifth rule. When input is A, top of the stack is Z. Now which rule can be applied here? Tell me anyone. Sixth rule. Q0 B, capital B. Now which rule can be applied here? Tell me. This is very, very important. Anyone please? Yes, please. Emma. Now here input is A, but top of the stack is G. G is inserted based on what? Small b. Then what happened? Top of the stack and input is different. Yes or no? Then apply only push rule. What is that? B, G. Next here, input is B. For B related symbol is green plate. But top of the stack is A related symbol. Then what happened? Now input on top of the stack is different. Then apply only push rule. Is it clear now? Only these two rules are changes for the WCW reverse and WW reverse. Is it clear, everyone? Emma, is it clear, everyone, or not? So while you're writing more than one rule for the input and of this tag, like this is one rule, this is second rule. This kind of rule, if you return, that is called NDPDA, that is non-deterministic push down automata. So that is WW reverse always having only non-deterministic PDA. WCW reverse having only DPDA. DPDA, deterministic push down automata. All have understood this one? All have understood this one or not? Tell me. Tell me. All of you understood this one? Yes or no? Tell me. But nobody responding. Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Next, Vakul. Vakul.
Sir.
Understood this one?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I'm seeing that here. For the previous problem only, I mean, just what is this here applying? Only insertions. Maybe input is A. Top this tag is also same related symbol, just I inserted. Okay. So when if you go for that remove rule, see here, input is A, top this tag B. Then what I did here? Removed. So I applied this both rules for the same combination. In this case, I applied the both combination for the single things for this one and this one. Is it clear, everyone? All of you clear this one or not? Tell me. Emma. For the POP rule also for the same combination you have to apply the same way. So POP rule means always you are there at given state. Sometimes top of the stack symbol and input symbol is different. Then what you will do? Only insert rule. Okay, you cannot remove because the different symbols are there in top of the stack. Okay, for A, B is there, then remove and apply again insert. Change the state and insert. Top the stack is G is there, input is A is there. Change the state and insert. That's it. So that I will discuss in next class.